Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal. Today, welcome on this channel, Dial Easy. I am going to discuss on this channel, a very legal news, a very new legal topic, which basically Patiala House Court recently come up with. So Delhi Court or Delhi's court, Delhi's District Court, Patiala House District Court, basically framed charges against Yasin Batkal and others for including people to join IM wage war against India. So who is this person? I am going to discuss with you. Let's find out in this video. And who are those other people whom against their charges were being framed by the Patiala House District Court. So Delhi, in Delhi on Friday, Patiala House District Court framed terror charges against Indian Mujahideen, which is IM co-founder Yasin Batkal and 10 others in a case related to the involvement in motivating people to join the banned terror outfit and waging war against India. So additional session judge ASJ Shailendra Malik of the Patiala House District Courts charged Batkal under sections 18. These sections are very important, please note it down. Section 18, section 18A, 18B, 21, 38 close to, 39 close to, 40 close to of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, which is UAPA, we all know, which is only applied to those people who are only under this section, under this act. Charges are being only framed against the people who are who are being involved in activities which activities against India, right? And section 121, section 122 of Indian Penal Code. In his order, Justice Malik or Judge Malik noted that the Batkal was not involved, not only involved with other accused for carrying out earlier terrorist activities, but he said also he was also involved in conspiracy of future terrorist activities with the assistance of Maoists in Nepal to collect arms and ammunition. This is a very serious thing to understand for you. And he also said above referred statements of witnesses clearly give specific accusation attributable to A6 being involved continuously since beginning of larger conspiracy of committing different terrorist activities to create terror and destabilize the society as a whole, the court observed. The court said that he was being involved in such activities which not only which not only can impact the present and also can impact the future of India also. These activities can create so much destabilize the society, and pertinently the order took note of conversation between the Batkal and another accused in which they allegedly plotted the detonation of a nuclear bomb in Surat, a chat between A6 and A10. Here A6 means accused number 6 and accused number 10 reflect Indian Mujahideens planning for planting nuclear bomb in Surat town and evacuating Muslims from Surat town before executing such terrorist act. Right? It is it's basically a complete planning. Their whole big planning. And the 10 more people were being also charged. I can name those people if you want me to name. Let me know in the comment section. And the present case was being registered by the National Investigation Agency, which is a central agency of investigating agency, which is NIA, in 2012 on the allegations that Batkal and several others entered into criminal conspiracy to wage war against India. Basically they are being we can call them terrorists who were basically involved in such big conspiracy to which NIA find out and put them before the court, right? And India by being members of the terrorist group, it was suggested that in furtherance of a criminal conspiracy, functionaries of Indian Mujahideen undertook large-scale recruitment or injunction or induction of new members for commission of terrorist activities in various parts of India. Basically, so their planning was to involve more people, more such people, and create more destabilize the Indian society. And the NIA had said that the Pakistan-based association aided these operations who wanted to commit terrorist act like bomb blast at prominent places in India. Prominent places includes those places, basically public places like metro stations, railway stations, whether or fest or something like that. where people basically gather, or temples also. So specifically with reference to Bhattal, the NIA argued that he was the principal conspirator and was involved in Hyderabad twin blast, Ahmedabad bombings, Sarojini Nagar serial blast, Pune government bakery attacks, as well as the Chinna Swamy Stadium bomb blast case in Bengaluru. He basically before the court, he Bhattal accepted that he was also involved in such in those previous bomb blasts in India. He also stated that stated to be deeply involved in recruiting new new cadre into the Indian Mujahideen fold, and also developing new modules for committing terrorist activities in other parts of India. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you have understood what I have discussed in this video. If you like this video, do hit that like button, and if you are new on this channel, do hit like the, do subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon, because we with legal knowledge we also come with new business ideas on this new channel, Dial Easy. So keep visiting this channel and do share this video with your close ones. We will come with more legal knowledge. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.